Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Snapchat device ban. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing over here is simply going to go ahead, first open up your Snapchat. And when you open up your Snapchat on this particular device, and if you have been seeing that device ban notification and you cannot access your particular account, then the solution what you can do is you can simply go ahead and have to go through making a new account. When you make a new account which does not have a signed device ban, it might work out, and when you're trying to log in, it should work out as well. But if it does not, then you simply have to make sure that you never sign in with your banned account on that new phone, or it will also get banned again for the new phone purpose I'm telling you. So when you have access a new phone where the device ban is not yet notified, then what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead and log into another account, a new account, not the device banned account, because if you do that, then that particular device will also get banned. Then afterwards, all you gotta do is make sure that your new account, you will access that in your new phone. And that's how it should work out, because if you got a device ban, then it's simply you will not be able to access the Snapchat on that device. So that's it for this video. Hope this video worked. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.